Hi everybody and welcome to Art Time. Today on Art Time, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Paint 3D to make really cool wallpapers, just like this one. So let's get started. Agenda today, we have number 1, the donut velvet wallpaper. Number 2, the hashtag boss wallpaper. Number 3, the one that's the same of the thumbnail of this video. And number 4, the Catcha on Cloud 9 wallpaper. Let's start off with our Doughnuts one. So I'm here in Paint 3D, as you can see. I'm going to click the fill bucket. I'm going to click a nice set of light gray and just tap, and there we go. Now let's go to text. Make sure you click one of these, preferably the first one, which is the 2D one. Click right here, and there you go. You can type Doughnutville. Now I want to change this font to a show card Gothic font, but first I need to highlight it and make it show card Gothic. Let's make it way bigger at about a 48 font. Higher it, which will make it center. And I'll change the color maybe to a light gray. Yeah, this is perfect. Or a dark gray, I'm sorry. Now let's go to 3D shapes. If you don't have Paint 3D updated, this will not show up. So make sure you update it if you want the 3D shape to show up. Go to the donut. Just click like this. Move it down, make it 3D, and repeat this process 3 more times. There we go. I repeated this process 3 more times. Now, let's make these donut flavors. To do that, I'm going to go to marker, make my pigments 100%, click this tan brown, and color the first donut a tan brown. Now, I'll get this pink. Again, I'm going to stay at the marker, but I'll just make it at about a 12. And I will make frosting just by doing this. Make it a bit thicker, maybe a 34, and color it in. Do it this side too, and this side, and there we go. Now you can make it thinner at about a 5. And just dollop on a bunch of different colors. And these are going to act as sprinkles, just like one of our next wallpapers. We'll be doing a method like this, but that's still yet to come. So, just like that, and there we go. I might add a nice aqua thing. Yeah, that makes it look better. Alright, now for our next one, I want it to be a red velvet donut. To do that, I'll go to marker, make it 100%. Go to dark red, color it dark red. Go to white, make it thinner again. And then just make this, I guess you could say, this white circle on top, I guess. Just like that. There we go. Now let's go to that same red. Let's just color this part in. Same red, thinner, and just dollop on this, which will be the crumbs. For this one is going to be a powdered sugar one, and the effect is so cool. So we'll go to our marker, stay, tan brown, 100%, color it in, and then to make the powdered sugar effect, we'll go to our watercolor brush at about 100%, click white, and just put it around the circles, and look at that. I'm going to undo it and just do it one more time so it's a bit lighter. There we go. Look how cool that is. Alright, and now for our last one, it's a double chocolate one. So, I'll color it tan brown. Here we go. Here's my tan brown. Go back to our marker at 100%. There we go. Now, we'll do the same effect we did with the red velvet, except this time it's going to be a darker brown. Let's make that darker. This thinner, and do the same exact thing. There we go. Look how cool that looks. Great advertisement if you want, or if you just love donuts, you can just put it as your wallpaper. Alright, now let's go to our next one. Now let's do our hashtag boss one, which I really like. Alright, so I'm going to start off by going to stickers. And I'm going to click these aviator sunglasses. Click, and here they are. So I'll put them right over here. There we go. We're going to stay on stickers. I'm going to click this mustache. I want it to be small. So about this big, and I'll put it up here. There. Now, for our last step, I'll go to text, click, and put hashtag, I'll make that capitals, hashtag boss. I have the perfect font for this. Oops, let's make this a bit bigger first. I have the perfect font for this, and it is called the Chiller font, which is perfect. So, let's get the Chiller font out. It's right here. And we can make this a nice maroon. Make this possibly bigger. That's good. Put it right over here. Look at that. Hashtag boss. I love this one so much. Alright, so now that we finished that one, let's go to the one that is the thumbnail of this video, which is probably my favorite one. Alright, so let's start. We got a blank sheet on Paint 3D, and I'm going to go to marker, have it at 12 thickness, and I'm going to click this nice pink, which will sort of be like frosting, you know? This is actually a rose. Now, you might notice that if you put it on gloss, it's going to look darker. But that's probably because you have it on gloss. If you have it on matte, it will be however you see it right here. Alright, so let's start. So you're just going to make these squiggly lines like this. There we go. And I want to finish this off right. And you go to your fill bucket now. Let's go to the fill bucket. I'm going to go to rose. And we filled this part in. Look how awesome that looks. Now let's go back to marker and pick any colors you want and just put dots on the frosting, which will be like sprinkles, which I think is very, very cute. So you are going to do that. And that's about good for me. Alright, now I'll go to text and I'll click 2D text. I'll make a text box and I'll write how to make killer wallpapers, wallpapers using Paint 3D. Alright, I'll stretch it out a bit. I already have my color. I used a aqua for this, and I put it on Show Card Gothic. I really love that font. And I'll put it right here, make it even. There we go. And there it is. Now, you go to stickers, and you can upload your own stickers. I uploaded the Art Time logo, so I'll click that. There it is. I'll put it in the corner right over here. There we go. And there it is. That was so simple and so cute. Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, now for our final one, which will be the cute kawaii Catch on Cloud 9 one, which I gotta admit is really cute. So let's get started. We'll start out by going to stickers. And the fourth one should be this kawaii cloud. And I'll put it right over here. Higher. There we go. And then I'll go to text and click this T. Make a text box and I'll write Catch ya on Cloud 9. Let's highlight all this and make it a different font. You probably know by now that I am obsessed with the Chiller font and the Show Card Gothic font. They're so cute. Those are my favorites for sure. Maybe A48 is good. There we go. And I'll put it right next to it, right over here. And look at that. Catch you on Cloud 9. That's so cute. Alright, that's our wrap. Thanks everybody for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, like, and of course, comment. Until next time, bye everybody.